All right, guys, so we are here with in-house sounds. I don't know if y'all can see that, okay? That's 412s right there. Then we're gonna move over here to this Mopar over here, okay? That look like we got about 212s in there in that personal in-house sounds trunk. But Tara, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for this interview. We supporting Bob, black-owned business. So make sure y'all are locked in to in-house sounds and what they have to offer. You don't want to miss out, okay? All right, so we are here today with Mr. Courtney from In-House Sounds. Yes, go follow that. Check that out.
I'm doing good, man. I'm great. So obviously we here for you and highlight you and what you do. I'm looking at this trunk, it's looking real nice right now.
Oh, thank you so much.
All right, so we here with In-House Sounds. How you get the name, first of all?
In-house sound, I got it because I started it at home. So everything that I did was in-house, custom boxes, lighting, everything that I did, paint wheels, was at home. I started at my mom's house.
Got out your mama basement doing trucks?
Yeah, and then met my beautiful wife, and then so now we do it
Hello.
at home. You know what I'm saying? So
I know
that
about
way,
doing work with my beautiful wife, man. We, our small life, we've been doing this about 2 years now.
Yeah, going on.
So, this is one of my masterpieces. It's something
And it's a Mopar.
Huh?
Mopar.
We got a rule in my house is Mopar, no car in the driveway. So, you know, we got to be like that.
And this here is my Suburban. Something that
I heard that one while you was pulling up. I ain't gonna even...
What are these, 412s?
412. And so this is actually something that me and my son, who's in the back, came up with.
That's the back of his head right there.
Oh, everybody in the house putting in work.
It's in the house, in-house sound.
We came up with this, took the second row seat out and made it limo style. Custom console, 412, 26-inch wheels. Don't worry about the paint job yet. It's on the way. We actually are working with the finance department over there with that. But
it's pending.
I've actually been doing car audio since 2001. You know, I started off. You know, every guy comes to that point in his life where he has to figure out if you want to do the streets or something else. I chose something else. You know what I'm saying? I've always worked with my hands. I actually have a background in maintenance. So to go from maintenance to this is pretty much an easy transition. So right now we're still doing it out of the house, and we don't have any plans to expand. But we like to do it at the house because it keeps it personal.
So you put a nice personal touch on everybody.
Oh, absolutely.
I've seen some of the people that you've done. Yeah, one of my boys, Mopar Marcus, shout out to him.
Mopar Marcus,
my guy.
Silk. I've done a couple of others. I can't really think. 392 Chill, King Keon, a few Mopar Mafia, Hot Sauce. Hot Sauce is my homegirl. And
Charlie Gang.
We've, you know what I'm saying, we've got them real good, squared away, loud, making a lot of noise. And like I said, everything that I do is pretty personal. So everything is customized to you, your car, what you like, you know.
I like your personal touch that you did on Scarlett personally and Sips.
Let me tell you about Scarlett. And I'm going to talk about Marcus while he's not here.
Okay, so, all right, we can do that.
The exclusive.
I'm going to tell you about Mopar Marcus. So he comes to me probably about every 2 to 3 months to get his car redone. You know what I'm saying? It's something different. Then I come up with one masterpiece, and he goes, "You know what, I'm a trade." Because we've actually, me and Mopar Marcus, along with Comic-Con, have started doing the Comic-Con comic book event.
Right.
And so Marcus Star is one of the ones that get featured in it. So, you know.
So he got to show out. And he's keeping you at work is what you're saying?
Basically, you know what I'm saying? Job security. But he's actually every time we do one of these shows, we learn something new, right? And so then me and him come back together and kind of collaborate and come up with something completely different.
Because didn't he just change his trunk again?
Yes,
he did. He said what? It was like the third time.
Third or fourth?
Fourth.
Yeah.
Well, hey, bro. 5, now 6 is, you gotta stop at 7.
No, I'm gonna send y'all all the trunks so y'all can edit it in right after I said that.
Okay.
Right now.
But he's that's actually one of my favorite customers. You know what I'm saying? Because he comes and just gives me all. He says, I don't care what you do, just make it.
Like,
Yeah.
here you go.
Here you go.
Yeah,
That's
that's
how
my
you do
guy.
it.
Like I said, I know Mopar Market since before we had kids. I've been no
Children.
I've been no Marcus for a while now. You know what I'm saying? And he always been that type of dude, man. If he mess with you, he mess with you. So be prepared to do his truck at least another 4 more times before it's over with.
Absolutely. But yeah, I'm looking forward to working on all Mopars. I don't just work on Mopars, I actually do.
Obviously, we put in
work
on more than Mopars.
Do these any other kind of custom cars, custom old schools. If you go to follow my page, In-House Sound, so you'll see all the work we do. You can scroll past the Mopars, I think that's the first 15 pictures. Y'all have been so nice and generous to me. But,
you know what, man? We see it. Let us hear it. Let us hear it. Turn it up, man. Yeah, hater, bro.
Setting alarms off, y'all. Y'all see that rattle?
Just hit me up, DM me, In-House Sound on Instagram, or call my number, 832-883-4861. We're located in Katy, Texas, and appointment only.
That's a different environment, in case y'all didn't know. Drake tried to tell y'all about that. Whole different environment in Katy, Texas. You know what I'm saying? But my wife don't even have to do too much editing. Look, this is how y'all contact us, man. Y'all hit them up, get some work done. Anything else you got coming up in the future? Any other work you want to highlight?
You know, I mean, just we actually have now started doing local car meets at black-owned businesses such as EO's Creole Cafe.
Support Bob. That's support black-owned businesses out there. For all y'all people that don't look at our channel all the time, we support Bob all the time. And this man supporting Bob, support black-owned business.
And so we're now in negotiations with probably having to meet there probably once a month. Just kind of a promotion thing for us and more business for them. We're trying to get DGK. Shout out DGK.
Fam, what's up, fam?
Trying to get them to participate, but you know what I'm saying? They are busy as hell. So, that's
everybody else out there, man, they got a black-owned businesses that put in work on cars or music or fashion, anything like that. Y'all hit us up, let us know, and we'll put it out for y'all.
Woo! Get in your bag and not your feelings, nigga. Collect the money, get the Skrilla killer.